So I was playing with this Instafire fire starter stuff, and I needed to cook out, and I like cooking out, any excuse will do. But I bought this little $30 water bass smoker to try smoking stuff, and it's so easy to use. You know, I carry it around, whatever, put it in the back of the truck, so I end up using a lot. But sometimes I'd want to do stuff more than smoke. So I remembered I had that Discada, the cowboy walk from a couple of years ago. Oh, imagine that, looky there. Sits right on top. We're gonna make us some fajitas and see how well a cowboy walk works on an old Kettle smoker. I need to make me some spacers or something to keep the walk off the top. Let a little airflow run underneath it. But gotta get that little last piece of onion that don't want to go. He's got a survival instinct. There we go. Ooh, one of us, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's crackling. All right. I'm calling it audible. It's sizzling. It's sizzling and it's cooking, but it's just not cooking fast enough for what I want to do. Now, I still think this is going to work, and I'm going to try it again. But two things I'm going to do. Number one, next time, I'm going to use a higher grate and get the coals closer, and then I'm going to find some sort of spacer. Maybe I could find a little H-block or something at Lowe's, whatever, that I can put on the edge to get airflow up and around to help, because it's just not cooking like I want it to. It is working, it is cooking, but it's just not at the temperature that I want it to be for messing with chicken. So I'm going to put this in the oven. But like I said, I haven't gave up. I do think this is going to work. I'm just going to play with it some.